there is the Airbus A321 for free. Is the Air India free? Indigo, there is Indigo. Um, there is no Indigo. That's Liberia. A B C D E F G H I. Yeah, there is Indigo operates Airbus A320. Come on, bruh. I mean, there is Wizz Air. Okay, I guess we can go with that. So, no, never mind. So why the fuck didn't I didn't choose that? Like, relax. Okay, we. I did. I don't want Aer Lingus. Um, you know what? Condor is also pretty good, but Gulf Air. Okay, Swiss. Ah, Swiss look good. You know what? I'm gonna go with Swiss. I mean, Wizz Air. So where should we fly? You know, let's fly to Malaysia, I guess. This. I need some clear runway. I guess fly. Okay. I mean that's under the square sector, right? Why the fuck it's asking for to get the pro version? I guess we can go back to fucking Los Angeles International Airport, right? Bro, which is free. Holy shit, that's a lot. Um, don't tell me I have to call start it. Okay, side stick is moving. We are definitely not surviving that. I think APU on, right? That's the first thing you do. Um, why it's not turning off? Uh, turn engine 1 and 2 on, right? Systems, engines. Come on, go down. Engine. Turn on master switch. Um, the fuck is a master switch? Yes. I have no idea what the fuck is a master switch is. But fuck it, let's go for takeoff. Oh my god. Okay, we hear that. Okay, we are at runway. Trim, flaps, flaps. I don't know. Let's put full. No, three. I mean, usually you should be able to. It's a non-interactable button. Wait before it goes. Oh, even and stuff off. I hope it goes. It's just rotating through. Once it's good enough, right? Rotate. I have no idea what are we doing. We are up. Okay. This is lagging, bro. Ooh. Oh, here. Pull up. Yo. We're done. Oh my god.
Oh, they're about to stop. Please wait. I guess we have land manually. I mean, we are still at flat too.
1,000.
Yeah, I mean, we should get our gears down. I need coffee, please. Water, a little bit of water. No, oh shit, this is disorienting, bro. Oh my god. Whoa, what the fuck? Why the fuck is the aircraft going? Oh, fuck it, me. Yeah. I have no idea what I'm doing. We are way too above the light flow. And
500.
there is no
400.
and stuff.
300.
We are way above the light flow.
200.
Okay.
100.
Gear is all down, right? Yeah. Check.
50. 40. 30. 20. Retard. 10.
Okay, we are not stopping.
10. 40. 10. Stall. 30.
Fuck, we died. Yay!